Now we are discussing about chemical business options. In that today we are discussing about caustic soda. Sodium hydroxide, also known as lye and caustic soda, is an inorganic compound with the formula NaOH. That means NaOH means sodium hydroxide. It is a white solid ionic compound consisting of sodium cations, Na plus and hydroxide anions, OH minus. Next point is, what is the caustic soda used for? This compound is an alkali, a type of base that can neutralize acids and is soluble in water. Today, caustic soda can be manufactured in the form of pellets, flakes, powders, solutions and more. What is caustic soda used for? Caustic soda is often used to manufacture cleaning products like soaps and detergents. And next point is, what is the common name for caustic soda? Sodium hydroxide is also called caustic soda or lye, a corrosive white crystalline solid that contains the Na plus, that means sodium, cation, and the OH minus, that means hydroxide anion. It readily absorbs moisture until it dissolves. And next point is, what is caustic soda for in India? It is mainly used in the manufacture of pulp and paper, newsprint, viscose yarn, staple fiber, aluminium, cotton, textiles, toilet and laundry soaps, detergents, dyestuffs, drugs and pharmaceuticals, vanaspati and petroleum refining. Caustic soda is produced in two forms, lye and solids. And next point is, what is caustic soda pH? That is caustic soda, that means 50% of solution has a pH of 14 and is one of the strongest bases. It is highly corrosive and hazardous and generates heat when diluting. Next point is, can I use caustic soda to clean my toilet? Caustic soda is an extremely effective product which can be used for unblocking drains, pipes, cleaning patios, ponds and driveways, brickwork, etc. General heavy duty cleaning, degreasing, sanitizing dustbins and kennels, toilet bowls, etc. Especially caustic soda will be highly useful in unblocking the pipes and drainages, because in our home also from external wash point is there. In that, if kettles are cleaning means it is blocking on. That time while using caustic soda, it is heating and cleaning the clogs. By that it is unclogging. By that water is going comfortably and we are very happy. So caustic soda effect is there. So caustic soda will be highly useful, especially for unblocking drainages and pipes. Not drainages, drains and pipes. Next point is, can we clean tiles with caustic soda? Don't use caustic soda. Then hydrochloric acid or bleach to clean. For cleaning the wall tiles, simply can be used wet cloth, degreasing oil and slippery materials can be removed as quickly as possible from the tiles using a detergent containing organic solvents or highly alkaline detergents. For cleaning tiles also, especially kitchen room, oil will be there, some foam will and some flames and all these also. It is clogging on the walls. By that, by using caustic soda, it will be cleaned very well. So we can use in tiles also, especially kitchen room tiles, and in bathroom also. After up to 1 feet, while taking bath and soap drops and always will be will be clogged in the surrounding walls. That time, if you are using a caustic soda, it will clean very well, so it will be useful very well. And next point is caustic soda is baking soda. Although caustic soda and baking soda are both alkaline substances and have similar names, they are not the same thing. For starters, they have different chemical formulas and properties. One is toxic while the other is non-toxic and can be used as a food ingredient. And next point is, what are 5 uses of caustic soda? Although caustic soda and baking soda are both alkaline substances and have similar names, they are not the same thing. For starters, they have different chemical formulas and properties. One is toxic while the other is non-toxic and can be used as a food ingredient. Next point is, what are 5 uses for the caustic soda? Caustic soda main uses include being used as a drain pipe cleaner, unblocks drains, removes built-up grease from ovens, used to make soap and detergents. It is a versatile product to have around the house as it has so many uses. Sodium hydroxide and chlorine are manufactured together to produce chlorine bleach. And next point is caustic soda a base or salt? The caustic soda is an alkali salt which is also called lye. It is the common name of sodium hydroxide. The name is given due to the corrosive nature of this salt on animal and plant tissues. Next point is, does caustic soda damage crops? Some reports indicate that a corner of the esophagus may develop many exposure to sodium hydroxide levels that are high enough to cause tissue damage. But this doesn't mean that sodium hydroxide itself is a cancer agent. The cancer could have arisen during repair of the damaged tissue. Next point is, what happens when you add water to caustic soda? Caustic soda is exothermic, which means that they generate heat and give off hydrogen. When you add hot water to caustic soda, this process can be quite dangerous as it can cause an explosion of alkali where acid can be distributed all over the place. And next point is, what is the difference between caustic soda and NaOH? NaOH means sodium hydroxide. Caustic soda is one of the common names of sodium hydroxide, which is also known as lye. Its common name derives from its chemical identity as a sodium hydrate and because it is caustic or corrosive. Next, in pure form, caustic soda is a very waxy, white solid. It rapidly absorbs water and forms aqueous solutions. This is the information regarding caustic soda. Caustic soda uses are so many are there. You can make it and produce it very well, and it will give very good profit also. So, but you should be, while producing caustic soda, first you should have a project report where you want to start it. Where the first point is where you want to start it, and which space, how much of space is required, how much of manpower is required, and how much of investment is required, and then what are the places of best raw materials for purchasing in wholesale rates. That is also under why not only purchasing, in that what is the transportation facilities are how long, and environmental protection and no objection certificate also you should get, and business license also you should get. If all these are there, you can start it, and you can appoint distributors. You can call, not appointment. Distributors means individually they will give money and purchase it in their locations. But sometimes you can, if it is increasing very much, you can increase in district-wise distributors also. Likewise, you can call them by paper or news or media. If you call them, they will come and they will see the quality and they will give some suggestions also. Don't feel that he is a distributor, I am a proprietor, I should not take his lot. Don't think likewise. If any distributor is giving some suggestions, means whether it is positive or negative, you should think over and you can implement according to the quality of the, especially you should be positive regarding the quality. And transportation also, always you should think of which is the best transportation availability and which is the cheapest transportation availability. And suppliers also you can select very good, sincere suppliers are there, it is very good to you. And suppliers, distributors, dealers, these are the heart of the business. You are producing caustic soda, but instead of that, you should always think over the safety and the comfort, and in time money also you should provide to the distributors, dealers and suppliers. Once from your mouth, if you promise any amount to them, you should pay in time. Once you are losing the confidence, means you will not get anything. In business, the word is most important. You should not lose the word. Otherwise, if you are not able to pay in time, before reaching the deadline, you should say to them, I want to give in the next week, but I can't pay because these are the problems. It will take 2 more weeks. If you convince them, it is very good. Otherwise, without any information, while he is coming, I can't pay now, I will pay after 2 weeks, means it is not good. So always the word is the wealth of your business also. So please take care of, and especially don't forget and think about dealers, distributors and suppliers. And your makers are also most important. If you think all these things clearly, and if you think of them, then they will think about you, and your company will be prosperous, and you will become rich also for the time being. It is good to your family and to you and to the nation also. Wishing you all the best.